we've signed with Internet today to provide our cash management solution, and we hope to roll it out in about a year and a half time. Yeah, it will take that long to develop. This is to provide service to our customers, to allow our customers have access to payment transactions, for liquidity management purposes, empowering our customers to do things to facilitate productivity and efficiency in their business.
How does this add to the transaction banking business that you already have?
What we have right now, like I said, is we've got a good system. It's like it's a Camry, as I would say. We're now moving to offering more, to extend a lot more to our customers, so they can do a lot more than just the stuff that they do today. But particularly on the Islamic side, we've also focused on electronic remittance. So that's what the Islamic Bank is doing separately from the parent companies, to focus on the migrant segment. So Hong Islamic is focusing on the migrant segment and to facilitate electronic remittance for our migrant workers. Sometimes we don't appreciate, how reliant we are on their labor, and they're really a marginalized group, because you may have heard, for them to remit money would require them to leave their plantations, their factories, and half of the time they lose their money along the way to various sources. So this way, we're actually empowering them to make remittances from their mobile phones or from our machines. So the less cash in hand, security is enhanced, right, from a security perspective. For PAX Plus that I was telling you, the merchant, that's actually driven by Hong Leong Islamic. So the acquisition of merchants and onboard them onto our PAX Plus is actually done by Hong Leong Islamic. Well, I think this year was a lot of it was consolidating on the infrastructure that we have been building last year. So our investments in the government infrastructure is paying. So we've got we're actually doing payments for a number of government agencies this year. On the retail side, we're working on launching a couple of digital products.
Right.
Yeah,
So it's also about digitizing the entire group, including Islamic as well.
I think in particular Islamic is even more compelling for the Islamic Bank to actually undertake digitization.
Right.
Because we don't have a very big branch network like Hong Leong Bank. So Hong Leong Islamic needs to use an alternative channel, and the main channel would be this. We started in a few small things on our digital channels, and we're getting very good feedback. Right now we sell everything online. We sell FX online, we sell wheels online, we do all sorts of things. We're working on more, we've worked straight through processing on our current account, and that was our first concept branch, and then we're now trying to facilitate more
digitization.
Okay, actually, from conventional and Islamic, I don't really see the difference, but I'm seeing more in age group.
Right.
And it's not even urban rural, it's really age group.
Right.
So anybody below the age of 35 are extremely open.
Right.
So you will see the growth in our entire mobile banking year on year is really from that younger segment. So we're seeing, actually retail, we're seeing a lot more pickup than on the wholesale. You see, on the retail, people don't issue checks anymore, but on the wholesale side, people still issue checks. National agenda to actually drive electronic payments, because